So this is Piedmont Avenue, and everybody's struggling to walk back to their room from the dining hall because everybody's about to bust their face. Oh, shoot! Because this is solid ice. That's the street. Solid ice. Sidewalk. Solid ice. Solid ice. And little feet. Ow! Does not mix. Because you will fall and bust your face. Oh, shoot. What road is this? Piedmont Avenue. Auburn Avenue. Frozen. Oh, shoot. Oh, oh, oh. Good catch, Driana. I think I want to walk in the middle of the street where who's blowing their horn at me? This is dangerous. Solid ice. Oh, this is slush. You can't walk in slush. Ah, cars! Oh. Thank God for snow boots. And kids playing catch in the snow. How cute. I'm making this video just in case I fall. I have it on camera. And I can sue the city of Atlanta for not putting anything in the streets whatsoever. Anybody behind me? Oh yeah, there's cars behind me. Inez, cars are coming! Thanks for not hitting me. Appreciate you. Thanks for not hitting me. Thank you, even though I'm in the middle of the street. This is ridiculous. Oh, shoot. Inez has left us. Driana, you good? Yeah, this is the best bet, walking in the middle of the street where the cars drove. Just gotta make sure there's nobody behind you like this creeper here. Where the heck did you come from, sir? Get your little flag out your back pocket. Oh, yes. Gravel. Yes. Driana. 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 This is a little bit smarter. These people got mattresses. Waka flocka. Pampers Den still open. It'll be the one time in Atlanta history you can walk down Piedmont Avenue, middle street. Yeah, this was the best bet. It's never taken this long to walk back to the dorm. Make sure the traffic not coming. Hi, Dree. Hi. All we wanted was something to eat from freshman hall. And we had to go through all, oh, you about to fall. Oh. Oh. Don't you fall. Don't you fall. Uh-oh, intersection. Oh. Solid ice. Solid ice. Solid ice. Cars behind us. Solid Yes. Skate over to the sidewalk. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Skating. Skating. Woo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Police! World Congress Center? Why the World Congress Center got police? Tiptoe.
Shit. You'll be okay.
Oh, shit.
Water like that.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Huh? Where? Where?
Water like
Oh, safety. 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 Ooh, solid ice. Oh, oh, there's Inez. Excuse us. This is ridiculous. Oh, solid ice. Man, I want the snow back. This ice ain't this shit. Driana, there's people in the street. The police about to run over us. Finally made it to the Commerce Mart. Can I flick them up? No, that's. I'm cold. Oh, is this snow? I miss the snow. Dang it, it's ice. That's right, drive slow. Ah! Ah! About to bust my face. Huh? Maybe I should learn how to ice skate. Don't go, it's another cab. Tell him to find his buddy. And then I want my gloves. Yay! We almost made it to Piedmont North. Nobody's bruised or bleeding. All right, bye-bye.